Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing entire process and detailed explanation of my recent Lord Rama Mandala artwork. This was a very special commission and I generally do not take this type of commissions, but this was a unique situation and this was very thoughtful gift, so I had to say yes. I started by making the outline. The client was very particular. She knew that she wanted a complete version of Lord Rama who is standing alone, not with Lakshman and Sita. He has to have a very mild smile and the entire artwork should be very detailed. I had to capture all these essence in this artwork. For the background, I chose a very unique technique and something that would give this artwork more depth and detail. Here you can see, instead of simply coloring, I'm using straight lines. So I marked the center of the paper and then from there towards the outside I drew these very close lines. I chose 3 colors for the background: red, orange and yellow. This is the first step of creating the background. Drawing these very closely spaced lines from the center towards the outside, starting from red color. Here you can see in the close-up, they are very close and precisely drawn. The background took a lot of time because of this detail. As you can see that each and every line is emerging from the center. So at the end it would look like all these rays are emerging from Lord Ram. This was my concept behind this background. It took me almost 4 hours just to finish the background. Here you can see the speed up video of me drawing all these lines. And now you can also clearly see how it is slowly coming out as rays. I had marked the center inside the body of Lord Ram, and from there I am drawing all these lines. This was the first step, completing all these lines in red color. Here you can see the close-up. Moving on to the second phase of the background, repeating the same step with orange color. So the little space we have left between all these red lines, there I'm drawing orange lines. And you can clearly see the difference between the area where I have used orange and the area where I have not. I have never used this technique before, but I was pretty confident about it. I also knew that if somehow it did not work, it's gonna waste a lot of my time, energy and efforts. But I was ready to take the chance. complete the next step of our artwork and move on to the third, repeating the same steps using yellow color. Again, you can see the difference it is creating in the background. And now you can clearly see how it looks like rays which are emerging from Lord Ram. Here is the final details. You can see how clearly you can visualize, how clearly you can demarcate each and every line, and it looks like a race. For the next step, I used a tissue to slightly mix the colors or smudge the background. It will be very light, so the colors will get smudged into each other, but still you will be able to see the lines very clearly. And now our background is ready. Moving on to the details. Each and every line, curve or dot in this artwork was very carefully drawn. I had invested a lot of time and efforts in this artwork, and I could not let it go wrong at any point. Also, the artwork was associated with someone's beliefs, so it had to be absolutely perfect. I used different types of patterns and stippling technique during this entire artwork. I chose the patterns or the fillers based on the areas. From here on, I believe the video is pretty simple and nothing more to explain. So I would just leave it here for you to carefully watch all these fillers and learn. And if you liked this video, make sure to share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment and let me know how did you feel.